Hi, I will show you how to achieve this look in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me motivated to create more content and keep this journey alive. Thank you. First, you can prepare whatever graphic you need and then select all of them, right click and group it. Go to edit, 3D and materials, choose inflate. On the object section, change the depth, and believe me, you don't really need it too much. Now go to materials. This part is to adjust how glossy and shiny the final look will be. On the lighting section, you can also choose which direction of the lights comes from. For the final touch, rendering, turn on the ray tracing and choose its quality of the final result, and then just render it. This might take quite some time. And if the final result is served and you still want to make a bit of adjustment or changing, you still can do it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!